What is fast fashion? The phrase fast fashion has gained popularity in discussions of fashion, sustainability, and environmental awareness. In order to capitalize on current trends, the phrase is used to describe cheaply created and priced items that replicate the latest catwalk styles and be pumped through stores swiftly. The fast fashion model is so named because it involves the quick design, production, distribution, and marketing of apparel. As a result, shops are able to offer huge amounts of a wider range of products, giving customers access to more fashion and product distinction at a lower cost. When Zara arrived in New York at the start of the 1990s, the phrase was first utilized. The study found that cotton farming has the greatest impact on freshwater withdrawal, water diverted or withdrawn from a surface water or groundwater source, and ecosystem quality. While the energy-intensive processes used in dyeing and finishing, yarn preparation, and fiber production have the greatest effects on resource depletion. Lead time refers to the amount of time it takes for a product to move through the supply chain, from design to purchase. In 2012, H&M took 8 weeks to develop, create, and deliver a new item of clothing, compared to 6 weeks for Forever 21 and 2 weeks for Zara. Because of this, the fashion business generates absurd amounts of waste. Fast fashion and its environmental impact. Water. Fast fashion has an adverse effect on the environment due to the exhaustion of non-renewable resources, the release of greenhouse gases, and the large consumption of water and energy. With 700 gallons needed to manufacture one cotton shirt and 2,000 gallons needed to produce a pair of jeans. The fashion industry is the second largest consumer of water. Business Insider further warns that because the water left over after the dyeing process is frequently poured into ditches, streams, or rivers, textile dyeing is the second largest cause of water pollution in the world. Microplastics. Additionally, companies use synthetic fibers like nylon, polyester, and acrylic that take hundreds of years to disintegrate. According to a 2017 research from the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, washing synthetic textiles like polyester is responsible for 35% of all microplastics, which are microscopic bits of non-biodegradable plastic in the water. The True Cost, a 2015 documentary, claims that the world now consumes almost 80 billion new garments annually, 400% more than it did 20 years ago. Today, the average American produces 82 pounds of textile waste annually. The tanning process is one of the most toxic in the entire fashion supply chain because the chemicals used to tan leather, including mineral salts, formaldehyde, coal tar derivatives, and various oils and dyes, are not biodegradable and contaminate water sources. The production of leather also requires significant amounts of feed, land, water, and fossil fuels to raise livestock. Energy. It takes a lot of energy to produce plastic fibers for textiles, and the process also generates a lot of volatile particulate matter and acids like hydrogen chloride. Additionally, cotton, which is used in a lot of fast fashion items, is not produced in an environmentally responsible manner. Farmers face health concerns from pesticides deemed vital for the growth of cotton. More environmentally friendly materials that can be utilized in clothes include wild silk, organic cotton, linen, hemp, and lyocell in an effort to reduce the waste produced by rapid fashion. The social impacts of fast fashion. The negative effects of fast fashion extend beyond the environment. In actuality, the sector also causes societal issues, particularly in emerging markets. 80% of clothing is produced by young women between the ages of 18 and 24, claims the nonprofit Remake. According to a 2018 U.S. Department of Labor report, the fashion industry in Argentina, Bangladesh, Brazil, China, India, Indonesia, the Philippines, Turkey, Vietnam, and other countries has used forced and child labor. Sales and profits take priority above human welfare as a result of rapid production.